Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture. So this video will be very interesting as we are generating isometric drawing in this video. So we will learn from beginning from 0 to at end level. So means we will create one pipeline, we will create our new filter and at last we will extract the isometric. Okay, so let's begin. Just click on the matrix menu, click on the OK. So click on the file, define workspace. Here click on the more and create your new folder and new filter. So we'll see from the 0 level. Okay, so we'll create our new folder. Just remember that if you created your new folder, we have to move that filter in plant filter for creating isometric. Okay, so we will see how we can move that later. So just click here on new filter. So here I already make some filters, so we will give the unique name as isometric extraction. Final. Okay, so we'll give the unique name isometric extraction final. Then we have to untick that and click on our project. So this is my project and click on the OK. So here you find the isometric extraction final filter created successfully. Then we have to click on that filter and click on the OK. So our drawing will be saving that filter only. Okay, click on the OK. Okay, after that I will model the pipeline here. So for creating any pipeline, just we have to click on the all and right click here, create new pipeline system. Okay, here new pipeline system is there. Give any name. So this is the piping or isometric. Okay, so I give the name, click on the OK. So here you find the piping system created successfully. Next we will extend that. Okay, now we have to create here piping. Click on the new system and here the new pipeline is there. Click on that. Give the pipeline name IP01 or extraction. So I give this name and we have to give the temperature and pressure value also. We will give leather also, don't worry that. So I give the name piping 01 for extraction, click on the OK. So here you find our piping created successfully. Now what you have to do, I am in the isometric view, then go to the tasks and choose the piping tasks. Then for creating or modeling the piping, we have to always click here on the piping feature. Then to route the pipe, click here. We will start the routing. Click on any point, so you can start from your required point, and here we have to select this piping which we already created. Click on the pipeline more and this I selected, click on the OK. So you can change the spec from here and you have to choose the yours required size. Okay, and then we have to choose here is the temperature and pressure option. So we have to give the temperature and pressure. So I am creating general pipeline, so I don't have the drawing, so I will give the 00 value and click on the OK. Now here you find the piping will start. So we are in isometric direction, so just lock that in this direction. I'm routing general pipeline, so just we are routing here. Okay. So this is our pipeline which I routed. Now you can also check by going to pipeline and select here. So full pipeline selected. So now we are ready to extract that. Now what you have to do, go to the tasks and choose drawings and report. Then here we have to do something. So we have to create our new filter. As I already created some filter, I will create a new one for your understanding. So how you can create, just right click here and go to the new and create one folder. First we have to create one folder. So here you find a new folder created successfully. So we will rename that. So we will find that filter. So we will filter name is I give the name here. You can give the any name. So just for the unique name, I tried this smartplant 3D isometric. Now we have to do what? Just right click here and go to the new and go to the drawing by query manager. So these are the different options, guys. As we have composed drawing for GAD, if we have to find the MTO, then we have to create a spreadsheet report. So for isometric, we have to click on drawings by query manager. Okay, here one created successfully. Now again click on that, and again we have to go to the setup. Now this time we have to go to the setup. Then what you have to do? Here you find a filter and package option. So we will select our filter. I already told that we have to move our filter to the plan filter. Okay. So for isometric construction, we always want filter in plan filter. Okay. So if you don't have the access, your admin can move your isometric filter to the plan filter. Okay. You have to tell the admin. So here, so this is our filter which we created for isometric extraction final. Okay. This one is our folder. Just we have to drag that to the pipe plan filter. Okay. Or select that and drag to the plan filter. Okay. So now you find isometric extraction final filter is moved to the plan filter. Earlier it was in my filter, now it is in plan filter. Okay. Click here. Click your filter which will be supposed to execute in an isometric final and click on the OK. Then we have to click here on properties and select our piping. So piping for isometric this. Okay. If you can directly select here by unclicking that. Okay. So in your filter the piping will be saved. Okay. So here just check the isometric extraction final is our created filter and this is our pipeline. Just click on the OK. Now the filter is selected successfully. Now we have to click on the package, click on the more. Always remember friends, so for extend pipeline or isometric we have to always select iso pipeline. Okay, and click on the OK. Again click on the OK. And now this time we have to run that. Again right click on that and click on the run query. Just wait. So we will see what is the problem. So okay, so directly I select. This time we have to select our pipeline. So I will select the pipeline and click on the OK. And this is earlier selected, no issue with that, and click on the OK. Okay, let's try this time. Run query. Okay, now it's fine. So now we have to do what? Just here the iso pipeline created successfully. Now just we have to update now. Here so just we have to wait some time, and in downside you can see updating project is there. Okay, just update is completed. Now you can open that again by double clicking or click on the right button and go to the edit button. So here you find the isometric created successfully. So here the isometric created successfully. Hope you like this video. Friends, you can also visit my previous lecture. I already uploaded 25 lectures on this channel. If you like this video, you can subscribe also.